Guys, I tried to get banned before, but this is the only time I ever got a warning. So let me just go through. Warning. Our content monitors have determined that your behavior at Roblox has been violation of our terms of service. We will terminate your account if you do not abide by the rules. I even emailed them about like earlier this night. This is what was it, because they actually warned me, but it wasn't the opposite. That's why it says bad request. It says reviewed yesterday at 11 a.m. Wait, what? I uploaded this message at 11 p.m. It was reviewed at 11 p.m. 11. Monica, this image is not appropriate for Roblox. We review our rules and only upload appropriate content. Inappropriate, offensive item, Jeffy. I uploaded Jeffy's bio. Okay, I agree. Reactivate my account. That's it.